Hi students, welcome to Amazing Assignment Session. Today's Amazing Assignment Session is for Class 5 Assignment number 13 from Sadhana Workbook NTOP Level 2. Okay, we have some choose the correct answers and we are going to answer them. Our first question: how does the following plant reproduce? There is an image of mushroom. Mushroom is a non-green plant. How it does prepare the food, or how it reproduce? We know that non-green plants are depending on other plants and their process of reproduction is completely different. How do they prepare from do they reproduce through stem or leaves or roots or spores? As they are non-green plants, they cannot they cannot prepare or they cannot store the food in different of its parts, or they will not have any fruits nor seeds. So it has to reproduce through different parts. Those parts are nothing but spores. Option 4 is our answer. Moving on to the next question. Table given below shows some ways by which plants reproduce. What would be A, B and C? There is a table given here. Let us see. Sugarcane, chili and bryophyllene. One column, A, B, C in other column. This column represents plants. This column represents plant that grow into a new plant. Okay. For sugarcane, for chili and bryophyllene. Sugarcane, we know that sugarcane reproduces through its stem, chili reproduces through its seeds, bryophyllene reproduces through leaves. So our option is stem, seeds, leaves. A stem, B leaves, B seeds, C leaves. A stem, B leaves, C seeds. Option 3 is A leaves, B stems, C seeds. Fourth option is A seeds, B stems, C leaves. It is option 1. Moving on to the third question. Observe the picture and name which part of the seed grows into a plant. There is a dicoted seed is given. Different parts are labeled X, Y and Z. Okay. X is seed coat. Y is embryo and Z is cotyledon. Okay, in these three, seed coat protects the seed, cotyledon supplies food to the baby plant, embryo grows into the baby plant. So our option is Y, that is option 2. Now moving on to the next question. Which feature helps the following to float in water? We have a coconut, dry coconut, okay, which is growing into a new plant. How it floats in the water? We know that coconut is dispersed by water because of its fibrous outer cover or a spongy part or presence of hook and none. We know that coconut, when we open it, we find the fibrous outer covering. Because of it floats on the water. So our option is 1. Now fifth question. One hint is given, has hair growth and disperses by wind. Hairy growth is present on it and disperses by wind. We see the 4 options here, which is correct. Let us see. Cotton, lotus, tiger nails, bird rock seeds. It is cotton. Cotton is spongy, it will have fine hair-like structures. It is dispersed by wind. So our option is 1. Bird rock seed is best dispersed by. Bird rock seed is best dispersed by how? By animals. Option 2. The figure shows a leaf plant. The leaf of a plant is given here. What is it showing? What process it is showing? It is showing reproduction. It is a bryophyllum plant which reproduces through its seeds. So our option is 2. Here different stages A, B, C, D are the 4 stages of agriculture. And question asked, most of Lingaya's crops were destroyed by insects. Lingaya is a farmer. He is doing some agricultural work. Some of his crops were disturbed or destroyed by insects. What he has to do? Which of the above step do you think he missed out while growing the crops? Which one he has missed? Let us see. Here he is ploughing. Here he is sowing seeds, here he is giving fertilizers and pesticides, here he is winnowing or harvesting is done. So option C, where he is providing fertilizers. By providing fertilizers and by providing pesticides, he can remove the insects. Fertilizers helps in the fertility of crop. Crop is grown very well, and pesticides will kill the insects. So option C is correct. Option 2. So with this we came to the end of our session. We'll meet again. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you and bye.